Hello everyone, welcome to Learn GK Easy.
In this video, we will see birds GK questions and answers. There will be 25 questions and answers. So let's start the video. The largest bird in the world.
Ostrich is the largest bird in the world.
The bird does not make nest.
Cuckoo does not make its nest.
The bird cannot fly.
Ostrich cannot fly.
The smallest bird in the world.
Bee hummingbird is the smallest bird in the world. It's about 2 gram.
The bird only drinks rainwater.
Pied-crested cuckoo is the bird only drinks rainwater.
The bird has no wings.
Kiwi has no wings.
The bird in the international symbol of peace.
Dove is the international symbol of peace.
The heaviest flying bird in the world.
Kori bustard is the heaviest flying bird in the world.
The only mammal that can fly.
Bat is the only mammal that can fly.
The bird that can fly backwards.
Hummingbird is the bird that can fly backwards.
The bird that lays the smallest eggs.
Hummingbird is the bird lays the smallest eggs.
The bird that lays the largest eggs.
Ostrich is the bird that lays the largest eggs.
The king of the bird is.
The king of the bird is eagle.
The bird that can walk upright.
Penguin is the bird that can walk upright.
The bird that can sleep even when it's flying.
Common swift is the bird that can sleep even when it's flying.
The bird that can imitate human voices.
Parrot is the bird that can imitate human voices.
The bird that makes its nest by swinging the leaves.
Tailor bird is a bird that makes its nest by swinging the leaves.
The bird that can see at night.
Owl can see at night.
The tallest flying bird.
Saurus crane is the tallest flying bird.
The bird that can rotate its head almost 270 degrees.
Again, owl is the bird that can rotate its head almost 270 degrees.
The fastest swimming bird.
Gentoo penguin is the fastest swimming bird.
The bird that flies at the highest elevation.
Bar-headed goose is the bird that flies at the highest elevation over the Himalayas.
The bird that lays only one egg in 2 years.
Albatross is the bird that lays only one egg in 2 years.
A seabird that uses its small wings for swimming and it can't fly.
Penguin is a seabird that uses its small wings for swimming and it can't fly.
The bird that has the eyes larger than its brain.
Ostrich has the eyes larger than its brain.
So these were 25 questions and answers related to birds GK. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please like, share and comment. And if you are new to this channel, do subscribe to the channel for more such videos. Thanks for watching.